Okay, so we're going to give the Bluefin remap a go, just to see what you get. So you get your headset, your handset rather, plug this in and let's see what happens. So it goes into the ODB port with the ignition off, I believe. Check ignition off and then press yes. Turn ignition on. Do not start engine. Okay, let's give that a go. Need the keys. Goes better with the keys. Bluefin communicating. Okay, so this is going to be saving the original ECU into the handset. Don't know why I keep calling it a headset. Now this can take up to 20 minutes, so there might be a cut obviously for this video. Yeah, it's going to take a little while, I think, isn't it? Yeah. So I will resume. You can see there's only one bar, so we'll come back to it. Okay, so it didn't take too long actually. It's only been a minute or two at most. Please wait. Original saved. Press yes to continue, I guess. Turn ignition off, then press yes. Install Bluefin CD-ROM. Right. So there's two options for this one in the guide. And we're going for the option on the left. So that means we do need to send the map to Bluefin, then modify and then send it back to you. So the other option was that you could send the remap that's on the handset straight to the ECU, so we're not going to be able to do that one. So what we'll do is we'll install the software and then upload the map. Okay, so that's not taking very long at all actually. That took a few minutes to install the software, a few minutes to connect the device, and it uploaded the ECU on it. And basically I sent that up and within a minute I had a new map back. So we're going to upload that now because that was put onto the handset. That's ready now to upload. So again, we connect ODB into this. Lovely. Ignition off. Press yes. Initialize. Okay, so again, turn ignition on. Do not start engine, I guess. Ignition on. Button's a little bit weird. Okay, here we go. So this is the modified map going up now. So looks like it's been enabled. Got an extra menu. So yes for Bluefin. Install Bluefin. There's the buttons by the way. yes, no, and whatever that arrow might be. So let's do install Bluefin, confirm yes. Let's see how long this one takes to write. This might be the 20-minute one, of course. So we've got that active slip button that's illuminated, or the light rather. On the dash we've got the traction control light going. It's always a bit nervous when you're writing the ECU. So no progress bar yet. To see how we go. Just got an icon down by the bottom corner. Spinning around. There we go, progress bar, that's good. So the map was taken from this ECU in the car, the default one, sent away to Superchips. They've modified or sent one back. I can't imagine they would have modified the same one within that time. There must be a standard one they've sent back for the PD140. Emailed it back. It's been uploaded to this Superchips Bluefin handset, and now we're uploading back to the car ECU. So it's supposed to give 34 brake extra and I think about 65 Newton meters of torque, so it should be noticeable. Now that noise is the dual climate flaps. I don't know what they do, they seem to make noises, either resetting or keeping themselves warm. Nothing else on the dash, it's not doing anything else weird, thankfully. And we're nearly there actually, you can see this is real time, so it's not taking very long at all. Again, only a couple of minutes. Turn ignition off. Press yes. Please wait. I'm not quite sure why this must be. I didn't think the ODB port was actually live without the ignition on, but it powers up as soon as you plug it in, so there must be a voltage there. Turn ignition back on. Press yes. This is probably a verify, perhaps. A bit quicker. The light's gone out, thankfully, the active slip. Please wait up to 5 minutes. Okay. This is more like it then. This is what they expected. So I haven't got anything weird on here now, thankfully. Engine management normally comes on when you don't start. Same with battery and obviously handbrake. So, catch you in about up to 5 minutes. And as soon as I've said that, actually it's finished, so turn ignition off. Can't see that very well, so I don't know. Not got the best camera in the world. Ignition off, and press yes. And there we go, Bluefin apparently installed. Please turn ignition. I love these ignitions on and off. I'm gonna wear the key out. Unplug Bluefin. Okay, so off. Unplug. Let's start the car and see what happens. Cold start. Fires up, which is always a lovely thing to hear when you've messed around with it. Revs sound the same. No weird smoke coming out the back, thankfully. So what we'll do is we'll just go for a quick, well not a quick, we'll leisurely warm-up drive first, and then we'll just see what happens.